Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day so far today. Today is Tuesday, September 3rd, 2019, which means it is time to pick a winner for our giveaway Friday number 5 that we had last Friday. So this is what was in the giveaway. I know, not a lot, but it's still very nice yarn. So I'm going to go ahead and use the YouTube comment random picker that I do every Tuesday to see who won. Real quick, before we jump into that, I want to tell you all, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so now. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when I upload new videos, and you're not going to want to miss the videos, especially because they're mostly giveaways these days. I haven't had much time to knit or crochet, but hopefully that will change now that fall is soon upon us. So remember to subscribe and turn your notifications on. Alright, let's just see who won. I'm going to quit talking now. Short and sweet. Here we are. We're going to go ahead and enter the URL of the video, which I've already pasted or copied. So now we're going to get the comments. Okay, there were 457 comments. And we're going to start and see who won. Who is the lucky winner this week? It's going to be Anna Lowdermilk. Crafts by Caitlin is my favorite non-yarny channel. Alright, Anna Lowdermilk. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I think I am. You have until next Tuesday to contact me. My email will be down in the description, but it is thenervousknitter527@gmail.com. Please email me, sending me your shipping address, and I will be sure to get this out to you at the end of this month. So that's our winner today, Anna Lowdermilk. So congratulations, this is what you've won. Remember, send me an email, let me know your shipping address, and you have until next Tuesday to do so. Alright, that's our video for today, you guys. Stay tuned to this coming Friday for our next giveaway. I'm like talking too fast. I'm thinking too fast and it's not coming out fast enough. Alright guys, well that was it. Congratulations, Anna. Don't forget to email me your shipping address, and for all of you other guys, thank you for watching, thank you for participating and commenting. I've learned so many other different channels that I've actually checked out, like Mr. Nightmare. Didn't even know that channel existed, but it's creepy, but I kind of like it. So, okay, you guys, that's it. Until next Friday, or this Friday, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.